Hey everyone, I'm so excited to be offering you this exclusive webinar only to Virtuance partners. Today, we're going to be talking about how to close deals in the digital age and how to supercharge your business and accelerate your sales using artificial intelligence. We all know artificial intelligence is really just taking the world by storm. But specifically, what is AI? So, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that builds intelligent machines to perform tasks that humans typically do. So think of this as self-driving cars or intellectual assistants like Apple's Siri or even Amazon's Alexa. Now, AI is expanding into everyday life, and the real estate industry is really no different. So as a result, many real estate companies are beginning to invest in AI technologies to help with efficiency and productivity in the business. According to NAR, artificial intelligence has really been a game changer for the real estate industry, and it offers a wide range of capabilities to improve efficiency and productivity from things like predictive analytics to even generative AI as well. As much as we've all heard of ChatGPT, AI actually encompasses much more than this one system. So, on that note, let's go ahead and take a moment to debunk or demystify some different things about AI. The first thing to note is that AI is not new. So, despite the fact that it feels like we've undergone this intense technological advancement in only a few years, there have been significant and rapid advancements in technology and artificial intelligence over the past couple of decades. Next, AI is not perfect. So aside from its power and its effectiveness, artificial intelligence is not always the perfect solution. And it also can and it does make mistakes. AI models are built by humans, and humans use data to determine how the AI models will work and will function. So AI models can actually be flawed if the data for training them is incomplete or defective. So it's possible for, your AI solution that you're looking into to make inaccurate conclusions if the data that was provided or was used to build out the model is incorrect or incomplete. This also means that you should really be taking the time to review and confirm the information that AI is spitting out at you, especially when it comes to things like content or copy for your website. You want to make sure if it's trying to pull any information, that the information it's pulling is in fact accurate. And then finally, AI will not take your job. So AI systems really excel at things like narrow tasks, whereas a true career or a job consists of many interrelated tasks that work together. It's a system. So there's no doubt that AI will and also already has shifted jobs, but it is also enhancing worker productivity and even creating new types of jobs as well. Ultimately, though, we have to understand that AI systems still lack a true sense of agency and also creativity. So while it may surpass human performance in complex tasks, it doesn't actually take away from the personality and the human characteristics that you offer in your role. Trends in tech really suggest a dynamic landscape with ongoing innovation and continued integration of AI into various aspects of our daily lives and industries. So we can expect further advancements over the next decade, over the next couple decades, which is going to further revolutionize the way we work, the way we live, and the way we interact with technology. So, next, how should we really begin to approach AI and approach AI in the real estate industry? So, in short, we know AI is this tremendous tool that can help you in your real estate business. It just starts with really just knowing exactly how AI can benefit you in your business needs. So, artificial intelligence is really helping real estate professionals to generate more leads, stay on top of their communications, streamline their operational and transactional processes, and improve their clients' experiences as well. On the potential of using AI in real estate, knowing how to leverage AI's technologies may seem really daunting at first, but having a deeper understanding of all of AI's potential uses can really lead to many new opportunities and business ventures for you. So, when getting started with AI, make sure you start off by asking yourself these two questions. The first question is, where do I need help in my business? Where can I improve my efficiency? Where can I improve my communications and my productivity? Then, once you've answered that question, the follow up question to that is going to be, is there an existing AI tool or system or model that can help me achieve those goals or those needs of mine? So, there are plenty of AI systems, AI tools out there that do a plethora of different things. So, you can really look to tools to either target a very, very specific niche and need that you have at the moment, or you can look for more comprehensive tools to help you with your business overall. Now, part of understanding where AI can be beneficial to you is understanding exactly what all AI can actually do for you as a real estate professional. So, I have a couple different ideas to just help get you started, but know that the opportunities with AI are really endless. But as a real estate professional, you can turn to AI to help you provide accurate property information and pricing. So, AI algorithms can really analyze vast amounts of data, which can even include things like historical sales, market trends, and property features as well. So, this can help you to provide more accurate property valuations. And this helps sellers to set more competitive prices and assist buyers in making better and more informed decisions as well. Next, you can actually use AI for predictive analytics for investments. So, AI driven predictive analytics really enable real estate investors to identify potential investment opportunities and assess the risk factors. So, machine learning models can actually analyze market trends, economic indicators, and property data to predict future property sales and investment performance. So, again, this can help you as a real estate investor to make more informed decisions. Next, AI can actually help you with personalized marketing and recommendations. So, AI really can enhance marketing strategies by analyzing consumer behavior and also preferences as well. So, real estate platforms that use AI to deliver personalized property recommendations to potential buyers based on their search history, their preferences, and their demographic information. At your brokerage, you might actually already have something like this in place in your CRM system. Next, AI can help you by providing chatbots and virtual assistants. So, AI powered chatbots and virtual assistants really streamline communication and they can enhance customer service in the real estate industry. So, chatbots and virtual assistants, they can provide instant responses to queries. They can offer, to schedule property showings, and they can even guide users through a buying or renting process. This allows you to stay on top of communication without necessarily dedicating all of the time to all of your communicative efforts. Next, AI can help you with augmented reality and virtual reality. So, AR and VR technologies are really powered by AI and are being used for virtual property tours and simulations. You would know these as 3D tours, right? Providing someone a at home showing, essentially. So, this allows potential buyers or tenants to explore properties on a more remote basis, which can save time and offer a more immersive experience. And it can also encourage them to actually come see the property in person as well. Next, AI can help you with market and trend analysis. So, AI helps real estate professionals really analyze market trends and can identify emerging patterns and help to make those data driven decisions. So, this includes predicting shifts in demand, understanding buyer preferences, and even adapting marketing strategies accordingly. And then finally, one of the great benefits of where to use AI is really in content creation. Understand as a real estate professional, you're told to push a lot of content out there on social media, on your blog, on your website. Let AI help you with this. So, AI tools such as ChatGPT, like I had mentioned, it's just one of the many models that are out there when it comes to artificial intelligence, can really help real estate professionals create content such as your listing descriptions, your blog posts, and that can save you a ton of time. However, remember, caution needs to be exercised to ensure accuracy and compliance with licensing requirements and the information that's out there. Again, AI is not perfect and it can potentially generate incorrect information. So, this means you need to check your work, especially if you're creating content using artificial intelligence. And remember, authenticity is crucial and trust is paramount in real estate. So, while AI really can enhance your practices and your efficiencies and your processes, it should complement you as an agent and your expertise and your experience. So, agents who are using AI as a complementary tool to their business will thrive, but a passive reliance on AI for building your brand may really force you to struggle. This is all just a start of what AI can do for you and your business. But again, it's going to be up to you to decide where you could use some extra hands, or in this case, some extra computers, to be more efficient and productive in your real estate business. Now, let's specifically talk about leveraging AI to close more deals. The first is going to be you can use AI to automate your email marketing for lead nurturing. You have leads in your system, you should be making contact with them every so often. So, automated email campaigns can really streamline email marketing and lead nurturing efforts by sending personalized emails to prospects and clients based on their user data and behavior. On that note, it can also help you with behavioral and predictive analytics for lead scoring, or essentially helping you to prioritize the leads you go after. So, by analyzing lead data and identifying high potential prospects, AI algorithms can help enhance and prioritize your lead generation efforts. So, by focusing on leads that are more likely to convert, you as an agent are able to use your time more efficiently and increase the likelihood of a successful deal. So, in real estate, artificial intelligence can help identify those high potential leads by analyzing their behavior, such as tracking a user's actions, like their property searches, their listing views, and even their contact inquiries to really help you to prioritize which leads you should target. And then finally, AI can really help you in that transaction process optimization for more efficient sales. So AI can really streamline administrative tasks like your paperwork, your contract review, and even documentation. This reduces the time required to close your deal and can even minimize the risk of errors, improving overall efficiency for your business. Now, let's begin to wrap up with specifically what are some AI tools to help get you started. As I mentioned, there are so many artificial intelligence tools out there. It's going to be really important for you to, again, ask yourself those two questions from the beginning of where can I use the most assistance? And is there a tool already out there created for me, whether it's an extremely niche tool on a very specific need, or it's a more comprehensive tool to help you with your overall business? So I've got these tools split up into different groups. The first group is going to be administrative tools. So you can use things like Zembly, which helps with meeting productivity, Asana and Monday, which are task management softwares, and even your CRM can have some admin operations with AI to help you with your efficiency. Next, there are also transaction tools that you can take advantage of. So, from your listing presentation all the way down to closing the deal. The first one is Gamma.ai. This is actually a presentation software that can help you put together those listing presentations. All you have to do is prompt it to write the specific presentation that you want, and it will automatically not only generate the layout, but it will also generate content within the presentation as well. So, a really awesome tool. You can use Calendly to help you with scheduling all of those listing appointments. And then there's even tools, more specifically like your CRM and Julius, which are a true property sales management software or a transactional software. So make sure you tap into these types of tools to help you with all of your transactions from beginning to end. The next set of tools are going to be your lead generation and your nurturing tools. So these are going to include things like your chatbots, which include Hyro.ai or TDO. So these are chatbots that you can implement on your website, potentially on your social media platforms to again help you with client communication. You can also tap into Wise Agent, which helps you with your lead generation initiatives on social media. And then additionally, there's client management and communication tools that you can tap into, such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, and your CRM, which can help you to send those personalized emails on a schedule where you can set everything up and it will send everything out automatically. The next set of tools to talk about is going to be data analytics tools. So this includes Tableau.ai, which is really to help you visualize property data. It can help you to easily create visually compelling dashboards and reports to analyze that property data, the trends, and any types of market conditions. And there's also CoreLogic as well, which can also help you to review any types of housing trends and market trends to help you make those data informed decisions. And then the final set of real estate AI tools that you can tap into are going to be for your real estate marketing. So you can tap into tools like Realty Ninja, which helps you with website creation. And then there's a ton of content creation AI tools such as ChatGPT, Copy.ai, which really helps you with the written work that you're doing to promote on your social media channels and your blogs. That helps you with all of the copy that you might be creating. And then there's tools like Canva, which help you with all of your real estate design needs that you may have, from listing flyers to social media graphics. You can tap into Descript, which helps you to create videos. They are a super easy and streamlined process to use. We use them a lot. And then there's also other social media management tools that you can tap into, just like Hootsuite. And there's a plethora of other management platforms that you can reach as well. There's Social Pilot, Loomly, Sprout Social, Later. There's a ton. So really, you just have to evaluate which ones work the best for you. And on that same note of your real estate marketing, don't forget that Virtuance actually taps into AI as well, specifically for your listing marketing. So at Virtuance, we use AI powered images for our HD Real image processing system to help you have magazine quality images that are proven to receive 2 times more attention as well. So don't forget that we're also leveraging AI to really help you improve your brand and boost your listings and close more deals. So definitely tap into our real estate visual solutions. Again, this is our HD Real images, but we also offer the virtual and 3D tours. We offer floor plans and a whole other plethora of real estate marketing solutions that you can use to improve your marketing for your real estate business. So, in closing, AI is really revolutionizing the real estate industry by introducing efficiency, accuracy, and enhanced experiences for your prospects and your clients as well. These technological advancements are really reshaping traditional practices and paving the way for a more dynamic and data driven real estate market. Now, just remember that AI is bringing change. AI is revolutionizing this industry, and that's not going to stop because, on top of AI bringing change, AI is also evolving. So, as AI continues to evolve, its impact on the industry is likely to expand bringing further innovation and optimization to real estate processes. So, even with advancements, just remember that the first step to a successful AI journey is really figuring out where you need the most assistance in your business and if AI can help you with that. By embracing AI and leveraging its power, you're no doubt going to supercharge your business and accelerate your real estate sales. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this conversation on artificial intelligence very helpful. Again, this is a presentation that is exclusive to our partners right now. It is only available to our partners to give you guys a bump up in the industry. So please reach out to us with any questions. You can reach us at info@virtuance.com. And don't forget to follow all of our social media channels and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real estate marketing tips and strategies. And don't forget to also reach out to your managing broker to figure out what are all the benefits of the partnership with Virtuance and to see if you even have an opportunity to grab an exclusive discount off of all Virtuance services. Thanks again for joining, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.